see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Gulay-gulay. Ay, maganda. Ang dami. Ayan, eto na lang. Kasi sabi ko na nga, manipis yun.
Maliit kasi, no?
Paano ba yung good morning, guys.
Good morning, people.
Ayan, pinapakain niya yung mga bus.
Switch it up challenge na to. Siya dyan lang pa dito sa bata niya.
Ayan, si Zachary, hindi nag-golf. May golf siya, 8 o'clock kaso sobrang lamig. As in, 3 tayo? 3 degrees?
Oo, 3-4.
3 to 4 degrees kami, so sobrang lamig. So, ang ginawa niya, inon niya lahat ng hita dito. Pati yung kwarto nila, Riz, inon niya kasi paglabas niya, sobrang daw na lamig. Siya na talaga yung nag-unang hita, hindi naman pinapakalat.
Marunong, at least marunong na siya.
Pero nakikita ko siya, ganun siya ng ganun. Ano yung ginagawa? Bakit? Kain na kami, guys. Tapos na kayo mag-breakfast. Nakaligo na kami kasi nagmamadali kami. Kasi tulungan namin si Kat dun sa bahay kasi maraming Ha, do you wanna go first?
Where?
To Kathy?
Oh, right there.
Oh, don't worry about them.
Yeah, I'll take care of him.
Is he still in bed?
No, he's in the toilet. But he will have breakfast and then he'll take a shower. I'll just pick him up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan din tulong ni Neil para mag-ng mga
Dad, we know where to go.
pang-decorate dun sa, sa venue. So, tutulungan siya ni Jan. Okay, Hoy, babang! Nagli-lipstick na siya dun, no? Show me your lipstick.
Tapos na, kanina pa tapos yung mga boys eh.
Kanina pa sila. Kami hindi pa. Ayun si Ollie.
So I use 4, main and kid, 2 kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the party will start 2 o'clock. 3. Is it 2? 2?
Yeah.
Pagkaba did you close it? Let me see.
So it's me and you again.
Oh, very good.
I put it
Okay.
here.
Okay, show your dress to people.
Exactly. You know,
Yan yung suot niya nung birthday niya.
Baba.
Turn around. Turn around,
Mama,
Mama.
I want to put it there.
What's that?
I'm here, put it there.
Okay.
I can't.
Just put it there like that.
Huh?
Close it.
Later.
Alam niyo na kasi pati yung blush on niya doon. Okay na. Okay. Ano?
Kilay.
Your Kilay?
Kilay? Alam na niya kung ano kukunin niya.
Oh, ayan.
Kilay, Mommy.
My Kilay is okay.
Where's my shoes?
Okay.
We'll go there now then.
Yeah, you can go there now.
I'll be finishing 10 minutes.
Mommy, look.
Look at the mirror here for your Kilay. Close. Wow! Tawa.
Isipan na siya natapos ng makeup please.
Wait. Oh, look at your face, so. Is that makeup? Huh? Is that your bag? Ayan na yung bag yung binil. Yeah, I will remove that one.
This later.
Later for retouch. Put that in your bag. Okay. Tanggalin na lang natin ito mamaya. Ayan. Okay, open it. Pasensya na. Yan yung mga damit namin nasa gilid.
Mom, I don't want it.
Oh, you get rubbish? Okay.
Not fitting.
It will fit. Oh, wow. Come on.
I want it.
Awongka. Oy, Zach. Siguro ang lamig doon, no? Siguro. Kamusta ang aking princess? Hi, princess.
I'm not princess.
Ang taray ng
Hello,
aking...
princess.
Hello, princess.
I'm not a princess.
So, who are you then?
Holly.
Holly. Just Holly. Holly the princess.
My friend. I'm not
Okay.
princess.
Okay.
Mom, I'm not princess.
Okay.
Ice cream, Zach?
Oh, ayun siya kay Tito Dan. Tita raise me. Dala mo yung camera mo, Day? Okay. Guys, dito na kami sa bahay ni Kat. Sila kanina hindi na tumutulong. Ngayon, umuwi na siya para mag-BS. Kami naman ni Race dito. Ayan. Siya sa spaghetti. Ako naman sa pansit. Ayan.
Bio. Talaga ng bongga ang mga buhay.
Kasi noodles. Ay, spaghetti ka, pansit. Tapos yung mga boys, tinulungan na sila. Yung mga boys siya kasi, sino nga si Rosalie, nandun na sa venue para mag-decorate sila, guys. Ito toppings natin.
Ayan, okay na to. Last na. Asa na yung ano?
Ang init, ang init.
Last na guys. Last na? Good.
Ito na lang yung hinihintay.
Still all happening in here then, eh?
Yeah.
Nearly finished.
Tapos si Jan Cabot at yung mga si PJ, walang sasakyan. Silang dalawa.
Hindi nga dinala ang tayo, pero yung kiss dinala niya.
Sabay siya kayo dyan. Kuha na kami ng biscuits, nagugutom na sila.
Nagtotogin sa Uy, ganda ng gamit mo.
Nagnanakaw pa, hindi bagay yan sa damit mo, Baba.
Are you hungry? I fed you already.
Ayan, tapos na siya, guys. Ayan yung pansit natin.
Talaga to.
Si Race, wala pa. Mamaya pa yan.
Uy, tatlo yun ah.
Kuya!
Si Holly, tinatawag niya yung kuya niya doon sa labas kasi hindi siya pwedeng lumabas. TJ, Zachary, get inside, please. Hindi niya tayo marinig kasi
Hindi, naririnig.
Tyron! Get inside, please.
We're leaving!
We're leaving! Dito na kami, guys, sa venue. Si Holly yung first customer para magpa-paint siya. Uy! What do you want, Baba? Unicorn? What kind? Purple.
Purple.
No, purple.
You can, what do you like? You can do something Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse? Or you want Mickey Mouse on your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Or Minnie? Minnie Mouse. How about you? So you want tiger?
You look through the books if you like.
Okay, you can choose what you want there, Baba. Okay, sit down, Baba. You want this one? He wants the Spider-Man.
Yeah, I can do
Kuya, hi, babe. There, honey. Oh. There, honey. Yeah,
Where are
painting.
you going? What are you going to do?
This, which one? This one?
Well, sit down on the...
Sit down.
Right, don't move. What are you getting, Zachary? That one.
Would you like some pizza?
Say yes, please. Where's your bag, Baba? No, sure. Close your eyes. Close your like this. Close your eyes, Baba.
Don't rock the table. Get off the table. Don't get off the table.
Yeah.
Good girl, Baba.
Yeah.
Take it off the table, mate.
Don't touch it. Ito, so pretty.
I want purple. There's purple there, Baba.
I'll show you in a minute. You can have a look.
You get one right.
If you get one.
I'll get that one.
Yeah.
That's for
Really nice. I like that.
that was for Zachary.
You want to press screen? Yeah.
Look, look, Baba, look. Hi, hi.
Yep, you can go in here.
Look up, Baba.
Who's next? Is it you?
Chila.
Chona, line up your Jordan. Probably I put the heater too much.
China, Baba. Nagpa-follow talaga siya sa Instagram. Lolobat na. Yeah. Right, Baba? Look! Wow! So pretty!
Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Saki's turn. Sak na yung next. Spider-Man kay Sak.
Button. Which one? The red one or the blue one?
The blue one. Oh.
There you go. You're going to need to shuffle to enter the seat. This way. Straight back for me.
Which one did you want in?
Goodness. Well, hindi ko alam kung asan yung bag niya. Or nandun siguro sa... Oh, siguro nasa kani. Baka no. Pinapakita niya kay tita niya. Na yung handa ni Veronica. Tapos yung dessert. Andito yung sauce, tsaka yung spring roll. Tapos nandun yung dessert. Ayan si Zach. Tapos na si Zach. Zach, let me see. Wow, that's nice. Andun na yung mga boys. O, kumakain na sila. Si Zach nauna na. Si Kuya Tiggy, ayaw niya magpaano. I'll feed you, Holly. Ayan si Jana. Akala ko hindi sila kakain. Nauna pa sila sa mga bisita. Gutom din. Si Kuya Spaghetti. I'll do it for you, Han. Ako na.
Is that open or what? Push it in.
Yes, better. Be careful because it's... Holly, do you want to eat? Mommy will get you some, okay? Ayan si Lai. Dito na kayo, kakain na kami, guys. Ito yung akin.
Wow, may pa-fruit.
Para balance. Ito kay Holly. Kay Holly. Holly yan. Ayan si Jan. Makikita niyo yung subo ni Jan.
Ang tuto ko din. Hala, yung battery mo!
Kaya nga, mamamatay na siya. Rose, kain ka na. Mayroon. Okay, eat Baba.
Hindi ko nakuha ng sage.
Holly, say hi to tita. Say hi. Watch out for your clothes, Baba, ha?
Hindi, yung nagpe-face paint.
Nag-face painting. Busy ka eh.
Nakakata ka kasi. Maaga siya.
Like this, Baba. Okay, like this, like this because again, go there, Baba. I'll go to Tita Roslyn.
Dikit na tayo kasi may daanan sa likod natin. Ang sarap na, dati, sarap ng chicken. So good.
Naglagay din si Kat ng ano, meat. Ikaw nagawa. Ayan na yung dessert namin. Sa atin naman, sa amin kasi yan, oh. Race, tawag ka ni John.
No, that's why you're white. I just heard as well.
Ang dami niya kasi tula para sa amin.
Rice food.
On a bit of rice. Yeah, it's just like a stew.
Din sa matanda, hindi.
Pwede ito. Pwede ba?
Your next rice.
After you.
Usapan mo mga ako.
Baba.
Tatlo.
Alright. I'll come with Daddy.
Ito with Daddy now. This is your
Dalawin mo na. Napagod kami kaka-English kay Michael dito. Ayun, chocolate.
Kasama yan. Oo, kasama yan.
Wow! Ano yan? Patingin?
Ganyan mo. Ganyan ka na lang.
Ganyan ka na lang.
Huwag ka maligo, ha?
Huwag ka maligo. Pag pumunta ka sa hospital.
Kasi siya.
Lumabas na yung mga boys pala. Nagtupig na yung hotel. Sinuportahan nila si Jan.
Bumili pa na.
Kaya nga eh.
Don't want it, Bob.
Gusto niya mandarins? Yun ba?
Ay,
Kaya ako lang. Thank you. Pinubos mo ulit yung ano.
Thank you, diary.
oh, hindi nga. Oo.
Ay, wag na rin ako. Meron na ako. Thank you. Wake up. Gusto mag-nagin.
Okay?
Gising na. Wake up. Wake up.
Going. Where's Daddy? Daddy's not here. See? I like your dress. Can you turn around, please? Wow. Do you like your dress? What's that one? Puppy. What color? Purple. Yan, kakanta na ng happy birthday. Ganda nga. Happy birthday, dear Veronica. Happy birthday to you. Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Yay! Holy, holy here, Papa. Which Kati? Okay, we're gonna cut the cake now, Baba. Oh, yeah, they're gonna cut the cake. Holly, dito ka, Baba. Kasi hiwa-hiwalay sila kanina. Kasi ngayon ano na sila.
Alisin natin. Mag-picture tayo. Ayun yung ano.
Nangkain na siya ng cake. Baba, watch out! Okay. How is it? Good? What's that, Baba? Your tummy is hurt? What? So, you had enough? Alright.
So that, yeah, that would be
Yung ibang bisita, nagsisiuwian na, guys. Patapos na yung party. Ito na yung mga reporter, guys. Yung mga reporter. Ay, yung mga reporter. Oh, guys, mga reporter.
Mga media po.
Maglilinis na kami, guys. Kailangan daw malinis yung venue bago kami umalis. So, ang dami namin nilinis.
Tapos na lang daw lahat sa labas.
Pwede mo yung tripod na no, si Kuya Malipo.
Pwede rin ako tripod mo. Pwede? Oo na.
Ano yan? Magkahiram siya ng tripod, oh. Time-lapse ko kayo, guys. Maglinis tayo.
Your eyes the moment you looked at me from across the room. Those eyes kept following.
Ayan, tulong-tulong na kami, guys. Ayan yung mga boys. Yung backdrop, ayun na. Nawala na. Ang ganda niyan kanina. Iuwi mo yan, Rose? Ikaw may gawa niyan? Yan pala yung gift mo kay Veronica. Oo. Uy, yan pala ang gift niya kay Veronica. Oh.
Ano yan?
Oh.
Nung nasa Sydney ka.
Nasa Sydney ka pa daw. Ginawa niya yan. Maganda. Maganda. Ito sa'yo rin to. Ikaw rin nag-cut. I-business mo na nga lang. Kasi sayang. Meron nga isang client. Guys, so supportan natin ang business ni Roslyn.
If you have a party daw.
Pag may, ano mo, channel mo, Rose? Sige na. Sige. Yeah, Roslyn Kier. Please subscribe. Subscribe kay Rose, please. Tapos supportan natin ang business niya, oh. Ayan ang bago niyang business.
Saka video.
Tsaka video.
Ito, meron pa ba? Yes, thank you.
Marami pa kami ipapap na bal. Sige, nakala ko tapos na. Hoy, Lodi. Ha? Oh, you got dollars?
At yung sa walang pangalan. Tapos na yan. Ginagay ko kay Mark. Ginagay ko kay Mark.
No, this one. You have to... Yeah, you have to poke like hearts, like this. No. Okay, okay. Mommy help you. Like this one. See this sharp? That one. Okay, get balloons. Come on. Yeah, I'll hold this for you. Hurry up, Papa. Come on. Yeah. Go get your money. Okay, get your money. Get your money. Okay, get your money. Okay, here. Pop this one. Pop this one. Okay.
You pop it. You pop it.
I pop this? Ako na lang mag-pop. Nagsasabi mo dyan. You gonna open that one? Ask Daddy. Yung money mo. Baba, your money!
Look, on the floor.
Binalik na. Money, akala niya. Tapos na kayo maglinis, guys. What? Biniro ko si Jan. Sabi ko. No! Hindi yan magnanakaw! Baba, it's hers! That's hers! That's hers, Baba! Come on! Susumbong. Oo. I like it. Yes. Yeah.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Mine, Minnie Mouse. Sabi ko, binibiro ko si Jan. Magkano to, Ray? Sabi 110, sabi ko sa kanya. It is! It is, because of the pearls and this. It is, honey. It is because this.
Whatever pearls.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
No way that could be under $10. I can make that alone.
No, that.
No, I don't think so. This one, this one, and the butterfly. $110.
What's it? Origami.
Yeah, something. What's online?
It's made in China, so it costs $2 to make.
What's in Holly's bag? What's in
That's
Holly's
right.
bag?
That's why.
Better not though.
Yeah, you will see the 110.
What's in your bag?
What's in your bag, Baba?
What's in your bag, Baba?
Lipstick. Lipstick. Or hindi naman. Ano lang naman to? 34 or 35 lang naman to.
Baba, pabibit dito sa
Mga asawa dito, guys, sa paputi.
si Tori, naghabubuhat pa.
Ayan o. Ayan si Veronica. Kumuha lang si Kat ng battery kasi lobat na yung kanya. What? Guys, so watch daw. Oh. Paos niya. Thank you, guys. Pina, guys, si Rose. Bye, Rose. Thank you sa pag-drive. Yeah, thank you. Bye, Kiara.
Ay, nako. Ang tanong, uwi ko na.
Si Kuya, karga niya na si Holly. Ayan, yung dip niya is burger, tas kay Sak.